Hey guys, not much to show you today in terms of off-roading footage, but we did finally get the 35s and the 6-inch Fabtech kit on. There's currently no kit for the off-road package on the 19 Ram 1500, so I asked Fabtech, will it work? They said, I don't know, maybe. And I guess I'm a guinea pig. I went back and forth a few times with Fabtech. I asked what's it gonna take. I went on the Ram forums. The Stage II kit uses coilovers, so not much had to be done in the front. In the rear, I had to use non-ORP springs, and there was some cutting of the subframe. The Fabtech kit uses 2.5-inch Dirt Logic OD shocks in the front and 2.25 OD Resi shocks in the back. I won't go over every part, but new cross members, new steering knuckles, a skid plate for the differential, a new rear track bar bracket, pretty much everything you need to keep alignment perfect. For comparison's sake, this video shows an off-camber situation I ran into before the lift kit. As you can see, despite the bad angle, the rear tire comes up pretty high, and that was not fun to take off-camber. If we look at the new kit, I have more than enough approach angle, and to address the elephant in the room, yes, it is a very big vehicle. No, it is not for rock crawling. It's an Overland build. If I were still living in California in the forest, I would probably get a much shorter wheelbase vehicle, but in the Nevada desert, it's just not a problem very often. I think most overlanders would agree that overlanding is about getting out and doing the thing. Whether you have a Unimog or a Subaru, it doesn't matter. Go find your trail, find what you can do with your vehicle. If you're having fun, you're not doing it wrong. Two final things. Today we ran into this UTV dude at a flat. I just pulled him back with this tow rope and he was able to swap out his tire real quick. I don't know if that was safe, but it sure was fast. And because I get asked so much, yes, it still fits in my garage. Barely. Smash that like button, subscribe, no, do whatever you want. I'll be back next week with some actual off-roading footage.